Next, let's review the register model of this computer from the perspective that you would often look at it for a typical CPU. Again, we have S and T, which are part of the 10-element data stack, as we've explained. R, which is part of the 9-element return stack, as we've explained. And A and B, which are address registers, as we've explained. There are opcodes for storing T into the B register. There are opcodes for reading and writing the A register, interchanging it with T. There is a push instruction which pops an item off of the data stack and pushes it onto the return stack by moving T to R. There's a pop instruction which goes in the opposite direction, popping the return stack, moving R into T, and pushing T and S down into the stack, as with any other duplicative operation. Note again that B is a write-only register. The ALU has a number of different functions. It always has S and T as its inputs. For a unary operator, it only has T, but for all the binary operators, S is the other argument. The result is always stored into T. There are no condition codes as such set by the ALU, but there is a carry latch which, depending upon the state of bit 8 of the program counter, P, is either enabled or disabled from participation in the operations. We'll discuss that later, but it is the only case in which there is any other output of the ALU other than into the T register itself. One correction, that is bit 9 of P, which enables the extended arithmetic mode, not bit 8. There is additionally some data path involved here that we're not going to discuss yet, that involves T and A and S and the ALU in a multiply step operation. A very potent multiplicative step, as well as a potent circular right shift or arithmetic or logical right shift operator that can encompass a 36-bit number. This is all there is to it. There are no additional register files to worry about or keep track of. Everything that you're going to do with this computer that doesn't involve moving data to another node or into or out of memory is going to be done within this environment.